Hey everybody, it's Campfire Trish, and in today's video I just want to kind of talk about the fact that yeah, you might see me doing a lot of prep for many of my videos. I'm coming up with a lot of recipes, but really when it comes to camping, you don't have to go into all of that. You can easily just run into your local grocer and find some really simple camping meal ideas. We're gonna run in there right now to see what we can come up for dinner and hopefully beat this rain. We'll see. All right, so one of my first places I look when I'm looking for like a quick meal idea while camping or on the go is the ready to cook section. You can see here there's lots of different options, lots of chicken and roll-ups. They have meatballs, kebabs already made, lots of different options here. And not only you can do the meat section, but if you come over here, if you like prepared fish, here's another really quick idea if you just want to get something like this and throw it on the grill. It works really, really well. I think I'm leaning more towards this cilantro lime chicken breast. For one, it's on sale, which I like. And yeah, I think I can come up with a really easy meal to prepare. So I'm gonna get this and let's go talk about my next thing. Next, I'm just gonna pick up some rice. The boil in the bag rice options are super simple. And I think I have one whispering in my ear to get some jasmine rice, so I'm gonna pick up some of that. Of course, frequenting the vegetable aisle or the produce aisle is a good one. I'm gonna grab a lime and I'm hoping they have some cilantro. There it is. A bunch of cilantro as well. And I already have black beans at home, and so we've got a quick and easy meal. Let me get a thing of green onions too. Yep, let's go. Pay for this. I think it goes without saying that kind of got caught in the rain. Whew. I got water in my eyeballs, y'all. I feel like I'm crying. But yeah, hopefully this will go through fast and we can still cook on the grill tonight. We will see. We might have just as much rain on the inside than on the... Well, no, it's definitely pouring outside. All right, for this part of the video, we're going to be actually using just our solo stove bonfire to grill the chicken on, and I'm going to use my campfire to boil the water and cook the beans. This time, as you can see, we're using that little pellet adapter in the campfire as well, and we filled it up this time. So it'll be interesting to see how long those pellets last us. So we'll be doing that, and Sam's going to be getting this started in just a few. We might get skunked again. Well, hopefully not. There is a potential still for some storms and rain, and so I'm hoping we move rather fast. We shall see. All right, so you can see that we actually added to the top just some shredded cardboard. We ended up buying a shredder just for our cardboard needs.
For your Amazon addiction.
Well, maybe. And so this is gonna help, we're hoping start this wood pellets. And yeah, we will see. Like I said, it seems to be being a little slow to start, but
I need a better lighter than this short.
yeah, we have a tiny little lighter that doesn't help. Oh, we got one going. Oh, we got it going. So there it is. So we'll get this going, and as soon as we get some flames, I'll put the water onto boil for the rice. So It's starting to do something.
A little bit. Hopefully it'll go on down. If not, I can transfer coals from the other one.
Yep.
Which works well too.
Luckily, our wood is dry because of our deck box. It might be catching. It's really slow. What's your tried and true methods to get those pellets burning? I gotta do some research because
The
it's
coals on the top always works. It just takes a little second. I'm just being impatient.
yeah. This guy, it is nice. It is nice. I'm gonna dry out sitting here. I will say it is quite cozy between my solo stoves. My derriere is slightly damp from me sitting on a wet seat and being rained on just a smidgen. So this is kind of nice to help me warm up. Look at that really pretty secondary burn. We actually see the flames through those little holes. It's beautiful. Huh? Yeah. I was just pointing out the really cool secondary burn and all the little decorations or like it's like art. It's really cool.
Cool.
All right, so we think this is good. What we want, this is just some water, and I've already put those boil rice bags into the water, and I'm just gonna put the top on, and we're gonna want that to come to a boil. Actually, maybe I should, well, I'm gonna put the top on and just check it, and then we'll watch it while it boils.
The next time we do this, we'll fill that all the way full.
Yeah.
So the flames are up so high.
But, you know, that little plastic part might get a little...
It's still cool to touch here, so I don't think there's much heat coming from that flame over here because I'm not getting singed.
Okay.
So, yeah, I think it's probably okay.
We could always turn it. I think there's less flamies on the...
Nope.
Well, nope, there's... Liar, I am. But we're going to let this go. And it's probably almost time soon, I think, to put the chicken on. The chicken's going to cook pretty fast because it's really thin. So I'll probably wait for my water to boil and then we'll put the chicken on. And again, this is just a meal that I came up with while I was in the grocery store. It didn't take a lot of effort. I mean, it was just something, again, you can run in and then see what's on sale or what's available and then pick some sides to go with it. Super, super easy. Again, you don't have to do a lot of planning when it comes to finding recipes to cook while you're camping. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the chicken on the grill, and these are big, huge
It looks
split
like they
chicken
flattened them out,
breasts.
though.
Yeah,
So they should cook relatively quick.
yeah. And it comes, like I said, it's already sauced. It looks pretty good. The rice has just started boiling, so we're gonna give that 8 to 10 minutes, and then once the rice is done, we'll put the beans on to warm up as well. It's almost eating time, y'all. Now that that water is boiling, I just took the top off. Let it do its thing. I went ahead and took a lime and just put it on the grill, half of the lime. And I've also went ahead and chopped some cilantro and some green onions, and I got another lime ready. We're ready. Just waiting for it to all come together. Yummy stuff.
Check it real quick. A little longer.
Yeah, it's getting there. That lime actually, well, something with this is cilantro lime marinade on these chicken, and it smells good. Really tasty. Smelling, at least. I think you might lose that one.
I keep getting smoke in my eyeballs or
Oh.
something from something.
we're gonna check it. Ooh, it's coming off nicely. Yeah. That's usually how you know, like if the meat is ready to turn, is if it's sticking still. If it starts to stick, stop and wait a little bit longer, and then give it a try.
I don't know if that works as well for non-greasy.
Oh, maybe.
Greasy ones.
I wonder if you want to look at that lime? Oh, it hasn't really done anything, which I didn't expect it to. I just thought it might be kind of cool. Ooh. So the drippings from the meat's what's causing the smoke. It keeps on going in our eyeballs. We figured it out. All right, so it's been about, I know it's between 8 to 10 minutes. It's definitely been 8 minutes. I think it's been closer to 10, so it's time for that rice to come off, and then we'll put the beans on. And we just put those black beans on, and because the flames are so high, this is gonna, we have to really watch this one, because this is, for one, it's not gonna take much time to cook.
Because the beans are already cooked.
Well, yeah. Yeah, we're just heating them up, but we don't want them to burn, because yuck. And I'm gonna go get the rice drained and add some cilantro and some lime juice to them. All right, so we're checking the chicken. The beans, again, they're done. It didn't take much time at all to cook them.
Normally I use a thermometer, but these are really, really, let's stuck a little bit there, but these are really, really thin.
Yeah, they look good. How's that lime?
Oh, yeah, on that side.
Oh yeah, buddy. Looking good. This is almost ready. And here is that rice. I'm just gonna take my lime, just give it a little bit of a squeeze. You can do this to taste. And some of that cilantro. Add it right in. And I've got a little bit of salt. I'm just gonna sprinkle in here.
What do you think?
Hold on. I think that looks okay. What do you think? After I'm done, maybe?
Don't be easy. I'll even take it off the knife first.
Maybe a little bit longer. It's really soft, but...
This is the piece that fell off.
Yeah.
Chef's bonus.
Yeah. Let's see here. So you can do this to taste, obviously. If you don't like cilantro, then don't add it. Some people do, some people don't. I didn't ask you if you like cilantro or not. I hope you do. I think you do. Like a little bit more salt?
I don't know. Have too much make it.
A little bit more.
Right.
And I think this will be perfect.
Isn't it cool?
That is pretty.
So chilly, but you
There are those beans.
What happened to the bunch of wood?
what's what?
There's
Our
that.
mom decided it'd be a good idea to try to kill ourselves today. And she said, crazy child.
All right, so here it is. I think it's really pretty.
That looks good.
It looks really nice. So I should say that I picked up some salsa, and of course we had some chips, so that's a good add-in too. Just grab whatever you have on hand at home, and yeah, let's give it a try. What do you want to try first?
I'm gonna try the chicken.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good.
Well, yeah, I think it'll be the best part, but I mean, like saving the best part for last.
Oh.
That lime smells good, even though I don't care for it.
Wow. This is really good.
That was good.
I will say, it's well marinated, which is sometimes hard to do when you get this prepackaged meals like that. It could be over marinated or under marinated. I mean, this is good. Like, I would not marinate my chicken normally this long. So it's definitely got a stronger flavor than normally I would have, you know, typically speaking, but it's tasty. How's the rice and the beans?
Well, good. They're rice and beans, you know.
Right.
You can bring your salt.
Mm-hmm.
You know, some salt.
On which? The,
Both.
both? Uh-huh. But the rice, I mean the beans.
They're just beans and rice. They're pretty plain.
Mm-hmm.
You should put those onions in them.
And some.
Oh, no, piece of chicken.
This is my chicken.
Not anymore.
But
I cooked it.
all in all, it's a quick meal. Quick, easy. It didn't take much to think of. Like literally, you saw me. And yeah, rice is the bag and the rice is a great option for quick meals. You can do like a curry sauce with it. You can do, I don't know, even one time when I went camping, we did the Salisbury vegetable soup cans and did rice in a bag, or maybe it was the 5-minute rice, I don't remember which. Put the rice in the bowl, you put the soup on top of the bowl, and you ate it just like that. So simple. I would never have thought about it, you know,
These are really good.
but this is
Super
a great
easy.
option, very simple, and otherwise, yeah, pretty tasty. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget that to give me some likes, give me some comments if you would like to see more videos like this. And of course, if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please do so. What
stop it?
happened?
That was my phone.
Oh,
Oopsies.
there was a noise. We were like, what happened just then?
And then our camera filmer looked all sheepish, so we were wondering what happened.
The face.
Oopsies.
But we have help today, which is it's always lovely. She doesn't want to show herself on the camera, but it's always lovely when
Our
she does
lovely
help.
daughter, she doesn't want to show herself, which is sad.
I know. She's awesome. But
Yeah,
anyway,
she's embarrassed. Even
yeah.
though you can't see her, we're talking about her. Her face is getting red and
Yes.
blushy. And she's wants to run.
yes, one day she will be on some film soon, very much so. But anyway, hope you all enjoy this video, and don't forget, I put out new content every Saturday. And until next time, bye!
Really, Mom? You're threatening me. Bye.